Here we have a 2023 Jayco Jay Flight 280 RKS. Beautiful couples trailer. Has solar panel, big window you're going to see, recliners, sofa bed, freestanding table and chairs. It's on right now for $36,500 or $179 bi-weekly. OAC, of course. That's with zero down. Large slide out, so it comes, standard with the Jayco features built by the Amish. Magnum truss roof system, which what that means is a truss roof system that holds 45 pounds of weight, just over double of the closest competitor. But how does that benefit you? Is with the winters we've been getting and all the snow, you don't have to go up nearly as often to clear it off, with risk of your roof collapsing. So, and then if you do have to go up, there's a roof ladder for getting up there. Also has Goodyear endurance tires, not knockoff brand. Large power awning. Outdoor speakers. Going to go inside here so we can get a look. There's your sofa bed. Freestanding table and chairs. Huge countertop. Look at that. Look at your counter space. Your rockers in front of your big window. Of course, all your normal amenities: fridge, furnace, air, microwave, stove, big windows there, TV. And walk down to the side aisle to the bedroom. Queen walk-around bed. And up there in the corner, you're going to see that's your panel for your solar panel. So solar is only mounted on the roof. Now this is nice because you have access to the bathroom from the bedroom and from the hallway. So it's got the nice corner shower, sink in the bathroom, which is most popular. And out this way again. Like I say, great floor plan for a couple. On sale right now again for $36,500 or $179 bi-weekly. Come down and take a look.